Audio Jungle.
We talked a little bit about what you're proud of in terms of kind of professionally. You got to have a little bit of pride personally here. Like, how does this all make you feel knowing like what you've built and what you've done and where you are today?
Yeah. Um, I am really proud of myself. I mean, to run this business on my own, have employees, and going through all the peaks and valleys, as I said earlier, it is really, this business has boosted my confidence more than anything else. That, of course, I'm a mother of two children, grown adults. That has, built my confidence as well, seeing them successful. But it has done something so amazing to my confidence. I am proud of my store and what I have done and the people that I have employed and helped them have a life of their own with the income that I provided. The people I've taken care of when they were down and I gave them free wash for a year or whatever, or I'm really, really proud of myself. And my confidence is from this business. It has taught me so much.